What up, guys? I'm working on a 77 Puch Maxi. I'm getting ready to install a 70cc kit. I already put the cylinder and piston on. I have left to do the head. I've got a aftermarket clone Bing, a bunch of jets that I'm going to play around with. I got a few different spark plugs to mess around with. And then I'm obviously going to be changing the gaskets. And on top of it, I got a techno pipe. And hopefully everything goes okay. It should be a nice little daily ripper for somebody. So I replaced the base gasket down here. Some people said to double up on it. I'm going to try my luck with just doing one gasket for now. Like I said, the cylinder and piston are already in place. I put some new studs in there, and I do have the aluminum gasket already on there. So now I'm going to go ahead and place my new head on there. It's nice and shiny. And see how the clearance is after that once I put a spark plug in there. I just ordered a ton of nuts from Moped Division. That's pretty much where I get all my parts from. They got a lot of parts available for Puch. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start it off with the B6HS NGK plug. Totally didn't struggle to do that. Everything seems pretty good. Not really hearing anything hitting. And if we have any problems with it, I'll adjust it later. I went ahead and put a good sized gasket on the exhaust here. It's weird. It's like a sticky material. It's like once it connects to each other, it just doesn't want to give up. It's pretty cool. Yeah, first try too. Look at that. All right, so we got the exhaust back on. All the gaskets have been replaced. The cylinder and head are in there. Got a new 45 millimeter piston. This kit is a TCCD 70cc kit. It's 45 millimeter. So now we're gonna go ahead and mess with the carburetor, and I'm gonna throw in a large jet into it. So I'm having more gas than less gas for when I go to test the bike. You obviously want to have more than less because less will really damage your motor. And this being a new kit, I don't want to mess anything up. So I'm going to go ahead and probably put a 92 in here, which is pretty big jet for a 15 millimeter Bing carb. But like I said, I'd rather it 4-stroke than just wind up because there's not enough gas in it. So you can see it's pretty clean inside. This bike hasn't really been ridden in a long time. So here's your main jet right here. So when I said I got jets, I meant it. I got jets, baby. I got jet sizes for my last order from 76 to 100. So needless to say, I got the Bing main jets. I have all of them. They're all mine. So with that being said, I'm gonna go to 92 because I think that's pretty reasonable. I have another bike with a 70cc kit on it, and I'm running an 82 on that. So I'd imagine a 92 would be fine. All right, so I got the 92 here. I'm gonna install it. You want to be really careful with main jets. They're made of brass and they strip really easily. Once you get it tight, you just got to get a little bit more tight, and that's it. Obviously, I've replaced all the gaskets on this carburetor. It's a little dirty because I've been swapping carbs and whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and install this. All right, so one thing to note, there's a bolt that holds in my ignition coil. And it because of the angle on the cylinder, it was actually kind of hard to get this carburetor on. So I'm trying this new air filter out. It's really cheaply made. It's literally just foam and one of these guys. I don't know what it's called. You pretty much just put it on the foam and then slip it on your carb and tighten it on. This is my first experience with it. I've never actually ran a bike with one of these yet, but I'm gonna see how it does. I'm not a huge fan of foam right off the bat, so I mean, look at that. That doesn't even look good, but I guess we'll see the practicality of it. I already cleaned off my points and set my timing on another stock cylinder, the original one. So I'll probably have to adjust it to the new cylinder, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, I got the new 70cc kit on the bike. Tomorrow's going to be gorgeous, so I'm hoping that I can take it out and see how it runs, mess with the jets a bunch, take the carburetor off a ton, and just kind of go from there, maybe adjust the timing. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to have some more videos on this bike, and we'll go from there. Cool. Thanks, guys.